All hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
The call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release is getting a lot of attention right now, and pressure keep mounting up for Ahmed Bola Tinubu's government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The 180 rep minority members has called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let us read the news. 180 members of House of Representatives minority have called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from custody. The motion, which was moved by Rep. Obi Agwacha, representing Iguano Umuahia North and Umuahia South Federal Constituency, appealed to the minority members of the 10th House of Representatives for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, which was adopted by the members at the meeting in Abuja. Appealing, Agwacha urged his colleagues to take a definitive position on ongoing discourse, surrendering the detention of Nnamdi Kanu and explore a political solution to his release. The members is made up of people from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, with 415 seats, Labour Party, LP, 35 seats, New Nigerian People's Party, NNP, 19 seats, All Progressive Grand Alliance, APG, 5 seats, Social Democratic Party, SDP, 2 seats, Young Progressive Party, YPP, 2 seats, and the African Democratic Congress, ADC, 2 seats. In his address, Agwacha emphasized the importance of a united stance within the minority members, highlighting that the resolution of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is crucial for national peace, stability, and unity. He called for immediate and strategic engagement with relevant stakeholders to advocate for a peaceful and political resolution to the matter, which has significantly implication for the socio-political landscape of Nigeria. He further underscored the potential benefits of addressing the situation through dialogue and reconciliation, rather than a prolonged abuse of legal process and confrontations. He expressed his belief that a political solution could pave the way for enhanced national integration and the restoration of trust among various communities. Today, the opposition parties have taken a decisive stand on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the planned protests, insecurity, dilapidated infrastructure, and the economy. The adoption of the position on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by the influential caucus comes off the heels of the recent visit to the former President Muhammadu Buhari, successfully mobilization of 50 of our fellow colleagues across all parties, and also the Southeast caucus of the National Assembly. It will be recalled that the Southeast Governors Forum also joined in the call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This call for the action by my colleagues serves as a reminder of the critical role that the legislative bodies play in fostering peace and stability in the nation. I remain committed to the championing initiatives that promote justice, equity, and harmonious coexistence across Nigeria. So this is the call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as 180 members called for the release of immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, like I said before, the tension is piling up. The call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released has been coming from all angles. Recently, which I did the video, the Igbo veteran from America has petitioned the UK government, the newly appointed Prime Minister, to look into the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and ask the Nigerian government to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And now the members of the reps have also 180 of them have also called for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. We hope and we cross our fingers that this cause and this pressure will amount to the release of our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Because, like I keep saying, I don't know why they're still holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in their custody. The court, the court in the zoo has acquitted him and discharged him. But that one is, it's almost how many years now since the court acquitted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That one they have thrown it outside the court. But now they are still holding him for no obvious reason. They are not trying him. They are still holding him in detention. They have not tried him and all that. They are delaying, wasting time, and keeping Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in the custody. This is unacceptable because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime known to the law. And for them to hold him for no reason, I don't understand that. And the pressure, tension, that has been coming up for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, it seems like the zoo government are enjoying that. They don't care. They don't care at all. And all this call for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the zoo government are just, they are not taking it serious. They're just overlooking and ignoring all the calls, pressure for them to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Try him, they don't want to try him. Let him go, they don't want to let him go. They keep him there for no reason, delaying the whole thing. They will bring him to court, they will adjust it, adjourn it, or postpone it to another 3 months. Another 3 months will come. That's what they're doing to keep Mazen Nnamdi Kanu there, to frustrate him. To frustrate him. Last time they didn't allow the doctors to see him, and so many things. They are putting, they are trying everything to put that guy down. But Chukwu Abiyama say no. So now they have 80 members of REP minority. They have called for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Pressure President Ahmed Bola Tinubu to release him. Keeping him there there's no reason for that. So they're supposed to release him. Anyway, this is where we're going to stop. Leave your comment. Let us know what you think. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.